Hello students, this is Archana Pandey. How are you all? Hope you all are good. Students, today we are going to solve in our civics classes the chapter number 6, questions and answer. Our chapter number 6 is rural administration. Okay. Chapter number sorry chapter number 6, rural administration. Okay. Students, in this chapter we already discussed about question number 1st, 2nd and 3rd. So today we are going to start with the question number 4th. Okay. And our question number 4th is what issue is the poem? Fourth is what issue is the poem trying to raise trying to rise. Do you think this is an important issue? Why? And students, now the answer is the poem raised the issue of rights, the issue of rights for a girl child. For the girl child. A girl, sorry, a girl should be treated equally in society. She should be given the same rights as a male child. As a male child given. This poem raised a very justified issue. Okay? Our question is, what issue is the poem trying to raise? Do you think this is an important issue, and why? And our answer is, the poem raised the issue of rights for a girl child. A girl should be treated equally in society. Okay? She should be given the same rights as a male child given. Okay, beta? This poem raised a very justified issue. Now students, hope you all clear the question number 4. Now we are going to solve the question number 5. The question number 5 is, in what ways are the work of the Panchayat that you read about in the previous chapter and the work of the Patwari related to each others? Okay? Question number 5 is, in what ways are the work of the Panchayat that you read about in our previous chapter. And the work of the Patwari related to each others. Our question 5 is, in what way are the work of the Panchayat that you read about in our previous chapter? हमने प्रीवियस चैप्टर में पंचायत के वर्क्स के बारे में पढ़ा था. ओके. And the work of the Patwari related to each other. And we also learn about the work of Patwari. And here we are going to discuss about the work of Panchayat and the work of Patwari. How can the work of Panchayat and the work of Patwari related to each other? Okay? The answer is Panchayat provides facilities Panchayat provides facilities in the villages. Panchayat provides facilities in the village and Patwari arrange for money to get the facilities. what ways are the work of panchayat that you read about in our previous chapter and the work of the patwari related to each other? And our question and our answer is panchayat provide facilities. पंचायत फैसिलिटीज़ को प्रोवाइड करती है इन द विलेजेस में पंचायत फैसिलिटीज़ को प्रोवाइड करती है एंड पटवारी अरेंज फॉर मनी टू गेट फैसिलिटीज़ एंड पटवारी का वर्क होता है मनी अरेंज करना फॉर द फैसिलिटीज़. ओके, hope students you all understand the question answer. Now students, here we are going to discuss about question number 6. Our question number 6 is visit a police station and find out the work that the police have to do to prevent crime and maintain law and order in their area, especially during festivals, public meetings, etc. Okay. Question number 6. Here is answer. During festival, public meeting, the police become more active in order to control crime and maintain law and orders. Okay. CCTV camera cameras are installed in the area at different different places, different places to keep watch on the activities. Activities of the pupil. Okay. During festival and public meetings, the police become more active in order to control crime and maintain law and order. So students, फेस्टिवल के टाइम एंड पब्लिक मीटिंग्स के टाइम, जब भी जिस भी प्लेस पे पब्लिक गैदरिंग होती है उस टाइम के लिए द पुलिस बिकम मोर एक्टिव, पुलिस को और ज़्यादा एक्टिव होकर के वर्क करना पड़ता है, मोर एक्टिव इन ऑर्डर टू कंट्रोल क्राइम एंड मेंटेन लॉ एंड ऑर्डर। पुलिस और भी ज़्यादा एक्टिव हो जाती है। वो एक्टिव इसलिए होती है क्राइम्स को कंट्रोल करने के लिए एंड मेंटेन करने के लिए लॉ एंड ऑर्डर्स। ओके, एंड CCTV cameras are installed in the area at different places to keep watch on the activities of the pupil. Okay, so now our number 6 question answer is completed. Hope students you all understand the topic. If you have any type of doubt, we will discuss in our classrooms. Okay, thank you.